Question 7 is a polar coordinates question. Part A, find angle AOB. How to find angle AOB? Actually, simply minus the two terms. You can already find angle AOB. Why? Because, like this one is the polar coordinates of B, while this one is A. and 265 means this angle is 265, and this one means it's 220. So the difference is this. The difference would be 45. Okay, continue to B. Write down the polar coordinates of C. What is C? OB here is the axis of reflectional symmetry of triangle OAC. Means that triangle OAC have reflectional symmetry. Here is OB. Axis of reflectional symmetry. Okay. So how do we do this question? We just simply add 90 to this. Okay. Because this one, reflectional symmetry means it cuts OAC. Perfectly cuts OAC. So if this one is 45, this one is 45 as well. And this one, they're equal. So simply, to find this one, it's plus 45. So it's 265 plus 45. You will get this answer. Part B2. It's given that point P as a point on OB, such that OAPC is a square. Find the polar coordinates of P. Firstly, we need to know that this one is 7, this one is 7. And then it is a square. OAPC is a square. So, which means, OAPC here. Oh my god. There is a point on OB in which this one is also 7. Remember the square properties. This one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree as well. So, how do we find this? Firstly, as it is a point on OB, again, as it is a point on OB, we can already deduce that the degree is 265. But how can we find the distance from the pole? This is the question. Actually, by Pythagoras theorem, we can already find, because this one is right angle. So, answer is like this. Root 98. 265 degree. This one is partial variation, which appears quite often in DSE as well. Fx is a sum of two parts. One part is a constant, and another part varies inversely as x squared, which just means Fx equals to k1 plus k2 over x squared. Remember to write this formula down, because there are sometimes step marks here. And then we can substitute 1 and 3 into the formula. K1 plus K2 over 1 square is equals to 43. You get the first equation here. And then F3 here, K1, substitute the 3 inside the x again, you'll get 11. K1 plus K2 over 9 is 11. So, by using the linear program function or using the elimination method or the substitution method, you can get K1 is equals to 7 and K2 it's equals to 36. Okay, so what is Fx? We simply need to substitute K1 and the value of K2 inside both here, K1, K2. So you'll get F